One man is dead after an incident in the Jamaican market in Clarendon yesterday. The man was killed by citizens after he allegedly stabbed two men in a dispute, Javon Keys reports.
The wish of a distraught mother that will never be fulfilled. Her son, Ricardo Brown, otherwise called Tony, was killed in the Jamaican market Saturday afternoon after he reportedly stabbed and injured two men. The police say about 3:15 p.m., Mr. Brown was mobbed and killed by citizens. This after he allegedly stabbed two brothers, a 31-year-old male vendor and a 44-year-old male truck driver, both of Clarendon addresses. We're told both men had a confrontation with the deceased after he reportedly assaulted a woman who is the spouse of one of the injured. One of the men received a stab to the right shoulder, while the other to his left shoulder and side. It was at that point citizens intervened and reportedly mobbed Mr. Brown. He and both men were taken to the Jamaican hospital where he was pronounced dead. Brown's mother and grandmother both say he might have been suffering from a mental illness.
They tell me say he did not take him since lately. After I dead coming like he might did not go.
I say sick on the head. I say me sick with the head like him head chick off. In the park I walk, when they see him dead, them things I want a madman. I win dirty all and sit there first then sit on me a pen stay so.
Grandmother also says he's not known for trouble. Our news team was informed that Mr. Brown has had previous run-ins with the law. The police say they are continuing their investigation into the matter. Javon Keys, TVJ News.